Everyone, it is Laudiaann and welcome back. Welcome back. I hope all of you are enjoying my YouTube channel. And anyway, this live video is made from TikTok. I'm using TikTok Live Studio. I think it works for me, and I make perfect videos. It actually picks up everything what I talk about, so which is really good, right? Anyway, I have to go to work today, but I hope everybody have a fantastic day. Okay, and thank you for stopping by at my Facebook page or my Facebook profile or my Facebook feed. I appreciate all of you guys getting to know who I am. I am a crochet vendor, and I love to crochet. I've been crocheting since I was 8 years old. Now I'm 64 years old, and I still work part-time, so that's where I'm getting prepared to go to work. And I hope you guys, anyway, I will be sending more videos your way so that you can watch, and don't forget to listen up to other crochet live videos. There's so many crocheters out there, so many talented women out there, and men too as well. You guys are all so inspiring, and you inspire me so much that I want to bless you back and inspire you too. All right, bye for now. See you all later.